Peace Online TV ni owó máa gbé kúrò.
Peace Online rédíò ni ọgbọ́n máa gbé kúrò.
Má gbé kúrò, jọ̀wọ́ má gbé kúrò. Àbára ará ìlú Peace tẹlifíṣàn tó kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n, ìròyìn tó pé síbẹ̀. Ilẹ̀ tàdé orin àríyá lóríṣiríṣi. Spọ́tì eré ìdárayá kọ́ṣọ́ àṣà ìbílẹ̀ wa. Wá polówó ọjà kájébù gba ẹja. Ẹkún Ọ̀yọ́ ló ní kẹjẹ kájọ máa gbọ́. Ilé akárí la wà lọ́ngà kálá expressway. Oríyọlé extension nìbàdàn la wà. Peace Television jọ̀wọ́ máa gbé kúrò. Peace Online TV ni jọ̀wọ́ máa gbé kúrò.
Peace Online rédíò ni ọgbọ́n máa gbé kúrò.
COVID-19 updates as at 11/15/17 May 2020. Kano State confirms additional 64 positive cases. 18 patients have been successfully discharged with 1 new death recorded. Residents are advised to stay safe or at home. Bauchi government discharges 20 patients. Bauchi State government has announced the discharge of 20 COVID-19 patients in the state. Governor Bala Mohammed discussed this on Monday morning on his Twitter page. The discharge of the 20 patients brings the total of recoveries in the state to 89. His tweets read, "I am excited to announce the full recovery and discharge of another 20 formerly COVID-19 patients from our isolation centers. This brings the total number of discharged cases in state to 89. The governor further commended health workers for their steadfastness. As a state, we remain thankful to Allah for these successes and to our medical personnel for their steadfastness. I also thank the state task force on COVID-19 led by my deputy and the security outfit and all stakeholders for their unrelenting efforts in these peculiar times. Importantly also, I commend all indigenous and residents of the state for their cooperation during this phase," he added. Moving down to Oyo. Oyo government confirms 11 new cases of coronavirus, discharges 18 patients. The Oyo State government has confirmed that 11 new cases of the coronavirus have been recorded in the state. The confirmation was made by the state governor, Seyi Makinde, in a tweet via his Twitter account on Monday. He said, 18 patients were also discharged after full recovery from the virus. He said 18 confirmed COVID-19 patients have received their second negative test results and have been discharged. This brings the number of discharged cases in Oyo State to 46. Also, the COVID-19 confirmation test for 11 suspected cases came back positive. 8 of these cases are from the same organization in Ibadan Southwest local government area, referred to in the update of May 16, 2020. 1 case is from Oluyole local government area. Furthermore, the test results of 2 suspected cases from the University College Hospital Ibadan, who passed away and have been buried, also came back positive. So, the total number of confirmed cases in Oyo State is 118, and the total number of COVID-19 related deaths is 4. We urge the following categories of people who have not already done so to register with the Emergency Operations Center on 080-9539-4000 or 080-9586-3000 or 080-7828-8999 or 080-7828-8800 for the ongoing drive-through walk-through testing at Adegbile Stadium. People who believe they could have come in contact with the following people should try to contact the above numbers. The first group of people are the people with COVID-19 symptoms. We have the cough, fever, tiredness, body. People with respiratory disease symptoms. Healthcare workers who have been in contact with high-risk groups above. Residents are advised to adhere to safety measures. Moving down to APC. Primate Ayodele reviews how Obaseki can win APC primary once Oshiomole. The founder of INRI Evangelical Spiritual Church, Primate Elijah Ayodele, had issued a strong warning to the All Progressive Congress APC ahead of the primary elections in Odo and Edo, and Ondo states. Ayodele warned the Edo State government, Governor Godwin Obaseki, against making wrong moves and not doing the needful. The clergyman cautioned Obaseki to listen to instructions if he intends to win APC primary election, because his party plots to manipulate the election. In his latest prophecies, Ayodele disclosed that APC national chairman Adams Oshiomhole was playing his last national politics if care isn't taken, with the way he's handling the power tussle between him and Godwin Obaseki. He also warned APC against taking the ticket to Ize Iyamu. If they conquer Obaseki and give Ize Iyamu, it will not produce what will happen to him. It will be more than what happened to Obaseki. Obaseki should listen to instructions, do the needful. If he does all this, he will win the primaries, even though the party leadership will want to manipulate it. Also, APC will have 2 candidates if care isn't taken. Moving down to Lagos, Sanwo-Olu gives condition to reopen churches' businesses in Lagos. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has revealed that he is considering reopening critical sectors of the state's economy fully. In a statement released on Sunday, Sanwo-Olu said the state government would be rolling out Register to Open initiative as a part of the plans that would enable it to assess the level of readiness of the players in the identified sectors for supervised operation. The governor stated that officials from the Lagos State Safety Commission (LSSC) and Lagos State Environmental Protection Agency (LASCPA) will be visiting restaurants, companies, religious houses to assess their level of readiness. According to him, the government cannot afford to keep people and businesses in lockdown permanently. He said, "We are at a level where we are reviewing the other arms of the economy. In the coming days, we will be starting what we call Register to Open, which means all players in the restaurant businesses, event centers, entertainment, malls, and cinemas will go through a form of re-registration and space management." Sanwo-Olu added, "We are reviewing and considering how the phased unlocking will happen. If we see a huge level of compliance, then it can happen in the next 2 to 3 weeks. If not, it could take a month or 2 months. It is until we are sure all of these players are ready to conform to our guidelines." He, however, advised businesses, religious houses, and residents to maintain the status quo until any announcement is made. And that is all for the news for this afternoon. Thanks for staying tuned. I remain your host, Adegbile Adedoyin.
Peace Online TV ni owó máa gbé kúrò.
Peace Online rédíò ni ọgbọ́n máa gbé kúrò.
Má gbé kúrò, jọ̀wọ́ má gbé kúrò. Àkànbára ará ìlú Peace tẹlifíṣọ̀n tó kọ́ ni lọ́gbọ́n, ìròyìn tó pé síbẹ̀. Ilẹ̀ tàtẹ́ orin àríyá lóríṣiríṣi. Spọ́tì eré ìdárayá kọ́ṣọ́ àṣà ìbílẹ̀ wa. Wá polówó ọjà kájébù gba ẹja. Ìyẹ̀kùn Ọ̀yọ́ ló ní kẹ́jẹ́ kájọ máa gbọ́. Ilé akárí la wà lọ́ngà kálá expressway. Olúyọlé extension nìbàdàn la wà. Peace television jọ̀wọ́ má gbé kúrò. Peace Online TV ni jọ̀wọ́ má gbé kúrò.
Peace Online